Hello! In today's story, we're going to practice your listening through present continuous tense sentences. Pay attention to the correct structure of it. A happy day in Central Park. The sun is shining brightly over New York City, and Central Park is looking more beautiful than ever. Birds are singing in the trees, children are laughing near the playground, and people are walking peacefully along the paths. Everything is feeling light and calm. Lily is walking slowly near the fountain, and she is smiling as she is watching the water sparkle in the sunlight. She is wearing a light blue dress, and the soft wind is gently moving her hair. Lily is feeling happy, relaxed, and excited about the day ahead. David is standing near a tall oak tree, and he is appreciating it while waiting for Lily. He is wearing a comfortable t-shirt and sneakers, and he is enjoying the fresh morning air. David is breathing deeply, and he is feeling the peace of the park. At this very moment, Lily is waving at David, and David is looking up and smiling widely. They are seeing each other, and both of them are feeling joy. "Hi, David," Lily is saying cheerfully as she is walking toward him. "Hi, Lily," David replies while he is hugging her. "I am feeling great. Central Park is looking amazing." "Yes," Lily agrees. "People are enjoying the weather and the park is looking amazing." They start to walk together along a long path surrounded by green trees. While they are walking, they are talking about simple things, and they are laughing softly. As they are passing by the lake, they are noticing ducks swimming peacefully in the water. Some ducks are resting near the edge, and others are moving slowly across the surface. David stops for a moment while Lily is pointing at the lake. "Look at the ducks," she says. "They are swimming so calmly." David nods. "Yes, and people are taking photos of them. Everyone is enjoying this beautiful moment." Nearby, a group of musicians is playing gospel music. A man is playing the guitar, and a woman is singing with a warm, soft voice. People are standing around them, and they are listening carefully. Some are smiling, and others are quietly enjoying it. Lily and David stop to listen. They are feeling relaxed, and the music is making them feel even blessed. "This music is making the day feel special," Lily says. David agrees. "It is creating such a great time. Everyone is feeling blessed too." They continue their walk while they are seeing people jogging, couples holding hands, and families having picnics. A little boy is flying a colorful kite, and his parents are watching. The kite is dancing in the sky, and the boy is laughing loudly. Lily is watching the scene with bright eyes. "People are creating beautiful memories," she says. "Yes," David responds, "and we are being part of it." As they are walking deeper into the park, the sounds of the city are slowly disappearing. Trees are surrounding them, and the air is feeling fresher. They are hearing birds chirping, and leaves are falling softly in the wind. Lily is taking a deep breath. "I am loving this moment," she says. "I am feeling so peaceful." David smiles. "I am feeling the same. We are enjoying the present moment." They are sitting down on a wooden bench near a quiet garden. Flowers are blooming in many colors, and butterflies are flying from one flower to another. Lily is watching the butterflies closely, and she is feeling happy. "They are moving so beautifully," she says. David nods. "They are doing extraordinary movements." While they are sitting there, they are talking about their dreams and goals. Lily is sharing her passion for creativity, and David is talking about his love for learning new things. They are listening to each other carefully, and they are telling each other kind words. At this moment, Lily is smiling warmly. "I am feeling grateful for this day." David is looking at her with appreciation. "I am feeling grateful too. We are spending a wonderful day together." People are walking past them, and everyone seems calm and happy. A woman is walking her dog, and the dog is wagging his tail excitedly. Nearby, an artist is painting a landscape, and he is focusing deeply on his work. Lily is watching the artist. "He is capturing the beauty of the park," she says. "Yes," David responds, "he is creating something beautiful." They are standing up again, and they are continuing their journey through Central Park. The sun is climbing higher in the sky, and the light is becoming warmer. Lily and David are walking side by side, and they are feeling joyful. They are not rushing, they are enjoying every step. And at this very moment, they are living a happy day in Central Park. Now, Lily and David are walking toward a wide, open field where people are relaxing on the grass. Some people are lying down and watching the clouds, while others are chatting happily. A gentle breeze is moving through the trees, and the leaves are dancing softly above their heads. Lily slows her steps and looks around with admiration. "I am noticing how relaxed everyone is feeling," she says. "People are enjoying simple moments." David nods thoughtfully. "Yes, and they are focusing on what is happening right now. No one is rushing." At this moment, they are choosing a spot under a large tree and are sitting down on the grass. Lily is taking off her shoes and is stretching her legs comfortably. David is leaning back and resting his hands on the ground. They are feeling completely grateful. A group of friends nearby is playing softball, and they are laughing loudly. One of them is telling a funny story, and everyone is listening with excitement. A little farther away, a couple is sharing food, and they are smiling at each other warmly. Lily is watching the scene and smiling. "Everyone is creating happiness in their own way," she is saying. David is responding gently, and happiness is spreading everywhere. Above them, clouds are slowly moving across the blue sky. Lily is pointing upward. "The clouds are changing shapes," she says. "They are looking like animals." David laughs. "That one is looking like a bird, and that one is becoming a heart." They are both laughing now, and their laughter is blending with the joyful sounds around them. They are feeling happy. After resting for a while, they are standing up again. Lily is brushing the grass from her dress, and David is adjusting his clothes. They are continuing their walk, and now they are heading toward a wide area with many people. A street performer is juggling colorful balls, and people are observing him. Children are clapping, and adults are smiling in amazement. The performer is throwing the balls higher and higher, and the crowd is reacting with excitement. Lily and David stop to watch. "He is doing an amazing job," Lily says. "Yes," David replies, "and people are enjoying it." The performer is thanking for tips, and the crowd is cheering. Lily and David are clapping along with everyone else. They are enjoying this moment in the park. As they are walking away, they are hearing different languages around them. Tourists are asking for directions, and locals are giving friendly advice. A woman is taking photos, and a man is recording a video with a big smile on his face. "This park is bringing people together," Lily says. David agrees. People are sharing space, time, and joy. They are now approaching a small cafe inside the park. The smell of fresh coffee is filling the air, and people are sitting at outdoor tables. Some are drinking coffee, others are eating foods, and many are chatting happily. Lily looks at David and says, "I am feeling a little hungry." David smiles and says, "I'm starving." Right now, they are ordering drinks and foods and are sitting at a small table near the window. Lily is holding a warm cup of tea, and David is sipping his coffee slowly. They are relaxing, talking, and enjoying their day. Outside the cafe, life continues. People are walking by, trees are swaying gently, and sunlight is reflecting on the windows. Everything is moving in harmony. After finishing their drinks, Lily and David are thanking the staff and stepping back outside. The afternoon sun is shining softly now, and the park is glowing with warm colors. They are walking toward a bridge that crosses over the lake. Water is shimmering below, and reflections of trees are dancing on the surface. A photographer is taking pictures, and a couple is posing happily. Lily is leaning on the railing. "This view is making me happier," she says. David is standing beside her. "I am feeling blessed to be here." At this moment, they are staying quiet for a moment, simply observing. Ducks are swimming, squirrels are climbing trees, and people are talking loudly. As they are leaving the bridge, music is floating through the air again. This time, a violinist is playing a slow and beautiful melody. People are stopping, and some are closing their eyes while listening. Lily whispers, "This music is touching my heart." David nods. It is creating a beautiful moment. They are standing there, listening, breathing, and feeling deeply connected with everything around them. And right now, Lily and David are continuing to enjoy their happy day in Central Park, feeling grateful, blessed, and full of happiness.